Learn multiply by 3. Today we will learn how to multiply by 3. There are 3 marbles in one plate. 1 times 3 equals 3. There are 2 plates. Each plate has 3 marbles. 2 times 3 equals 6. There are 3 plates. Each plate has 3 marbles. 3 times 3 equals 9. There are 4 plates. Each plate has 3 marbles. 4 times 3 equals 12. There are 5 plates. Each plate has 3 marbles. 5 times 3 equals 15. There are 6 plates. Each plate has 3 marbles. 6 times 3 equals 18. There are 7 plates. Each plate has 3 marbles. 7 times 3 equals 21. There are 8 plates. Each plate has 3 marbles. 8 times 3 equals 24. There are 9 plates. Each plate has 3 marbles. 9 times 3 equals 27. There are 10 plates. Each plate has 3 marbles. 10 times 3 equals 30. Good job! Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.